What's up, guys? So on SPX this week, trading recap for my SPX model this week. So I was able to take just 4 trades and on the 1 hour time frame. So what happened was on the 4 hour time frame, I noticed we just had serious momentum, without retracement. So when things like this, it's the ability as a trader to adapt to current situation that makes you thrive as a trader. You don't change your strategy because that's resonates as strategy hopping. Once you have something that works, you don't need to change it. You just need to readapt some other things to it. So I saw on the 4 hour that nothing was really working because it wasn't really presenting anything for me. Price was just on a consistent sell without major retracement to give me signs to get in for a trade. So I went on the 1 hour time frame using the same strategy because for anything to really happen on the 4 hour time frame, it has to happen on the 1 hour time frame. So I was able to catch 4 trades. So I took 4 trades in between the week. So I bought around this level. So same strategy, looking for I see our price went up, bullish. We had bullish momentum in the market, so price retraced a bit, came back down, then gave me another retracement around here, came back up and came back down, give me another retracement around here. But this trade, I'm going to be very, very truthful to you guys. I wasn't confident with this trade. Like I'll classify this as a bad setup to me. If you see some of the annotation I did here, let me find it. Where's my annotation? You see, I said not a trade I'm proud of. Look at it. I said not a trade I'm proud of because why am I not proud of this trade? I didn't wait patiently for my entry signal to come up completely before I got in the trade. So what happened? Let me take out the rest of this noise so you see the reason why I got in on this trade. So this was the stop loss I took. So let me show you. This is the pattern basically. So let's see. So as price did this, as price created this high, came back down, I was looking for price to come back to give me another high. So we had a hammer candle signaling buying momentum. So basically what I should have waited for is, some of these reasons I'm saying may not be a reason why this price action didn't work. But as you work on developing your strategy, you tend to make yourself and your analysis sharp. That doesn't stop you from taking a loss, but it just puts you in a better pure point of view so that you are sharp with your analysis. Your analysis is sharp so that it's not your fault, it's not the market's fault, it's just that particular trading play out. So but for me, I classify this as my fault because you can see price just created a hammer formation. We have a double bottom here, we have an evening star, but I needed a confirmation candle. So immediately I saw this, I set a buy stop right around here. This was the price, this. So I set a buy stop right around here, looking for price to wick me in instead of waiting for price to create something, like create maybe like another candle for me to join in. I wasn't patient enough, so this is my fault. I'll classify this as my fault. So you can see that price just wicked the buy stop and stopped me out straight up. So this is my fault. So that was that trade. The second trade I took was here. I was looking for price to see how ginormous this bullish engulfing is. So I waited here to take this trade, and price just pulled back a bit and continued to go up, giving me a 1 to 2.5. So on this particular trade, I didn't really take a 1 to 2.5 because at the 1 to 2 I took like my festivity, so I half my trade on the 1 to 2.5 because on the 1 hour time frame. Then I was looking for price to give me a 1 to 3. I extended price to give me a 1 to 3, but price failed to come to that level, so I got stopped out. I got stopped out at break even, but I already took like let's say like a festivity or half of the trade. So that was that trade. Then the next day, I don't think there was any trade the next day. This was Wednesday. There wasn't really anything. So on Thursday morning, we had price do this. So same like clockwork. Price came here, created a high retracement. So I classify this as a a B setup, because an A plus setup for me is when price comes to at least like a 50-60 extension of my fib. So price came down. I was looking for my pattern to continue to sell shorts, and price did exactly what I was looking for. You can see exactly picture perfect, but price did this. Wicks came as much as a 1 to 2.5, but didn't close there and just went straight to stop me out. So that's cool. So this was a failed trade. It was a good trade. Remember, this is a good trade, but it was a failed trade. If price played this particular price action 10 times in the market, I'm going to take it. So this is a good trade, but just a failed setup. So I'm also looking at price from a series of trade perspective. So out of 20 trades, this is one of those trades that didn't turn out to what I was expecting. So I waited for Friday. This was yesterday, so on the day I'm shooting this video, this is Saturday. So Friday, clockwork again. Price did the same thing, came back, created a low, created a high, came back to a low to continue the trend. We had this rejection candle that served as a supply zone. The price came back, and we had this situation here. So immediately I saw this, we have our evening star. I said the sell stop around here, and price literally just whipped me in and straight gave me a 1 to 2.6. So this was it for XPX this week. Easy setup, same pattern, easy in the market, but not so easy though. So same pattern, didn't change the pattern, just change the time frame so you can capitalize on the market when it's not giving you trades on the bigger time frame. It's just like you trying to trade on the daily time frame, when you may rarely see the patterns on the daily time frame. But if you go on the smaller time frame, that still holds some recognition when it comes to how price plays in those levels. You can capitalize on them, like on the 1 hour time frame, on the 15 minutes time frame. So this is how I was able to take 4 trades, 2 winners, 2 losers in the market, and ended the week net positive. So if you look at it from a series of trade perspective, 4 trades, 2 losers, 2 winners, average at the end of the day, you average a winner. So that's it for this particular trade, guys. So if you want to continue to learn stuff like this and see the insights of how I think about the trade before I take a trade, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell for when I drop content so you can jump on it as quick as possible. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.